Address to the President of United States, Sir Donald J. Trump. Copy to Sir Robert Fitzgerald Kennedy Jr. Copy to Dr. J. Bhattacharya. From Dr. Victor Alexander, PhD in Medicine, winner of 4 certificates of recognition in 4 World Congresses on Molecular Immunology and Immunogenetics, Infectious Diseases and Cancer, Biomedical and Clinical Research. Title of my address is, It is Novel Multibillion Medical Business. My novel reverse phosphate theory and super-antibody technology will cure millions of patients with difficult infectious diseases and cancer in worldwide. Dear President of United States, Donald J. Trump, the Minister of Health and Human Services, Sir Robert F. Kennedy Jr., the Director of National Institute of Health, Dr. J. Bhattacharya. In 2018, in the World Congress on Molecular Immunology and Immunogenetics in London, United Kingdom, I have proved that contemporary clonal selection theory, author of clonal selection theory is Dr. Frank MacFarlain Burnet, the Nobel Prize winner in 1960. His clonal selection theory is totally wrong. Therefore, until today, all research scientists in immunology area couldn't synthesize 100% of human antibodies often to any infectious disease and cancer. To get affinity to the infectious agent and cancer, they use lab animals, which are called chimeric monoclonal antibody and CAR T-cell technology, which have unwanted and dangerous side effects. But I am forwarded my novel and right reverse pathway theory, which is answering all questions in molecular immunology and make it possible to synthesize 100% human origin, very often antibodies to given infectious diseases and cancer by using cell culture methods. I have called it super-antibody technology. SAb-Technology is very specific, often to given infectious diseases and cancer, and do not have any side effects, and do not depend immune status of patients, including children, as all vaccination methods do. Dear Sir, my novel reverse pathway theory and SAb-Technology will become a novel multi-billion, multi-trillion medical business, which will bring to United States billions, trillions dollars of profit. But unfortunately, until today, the administration of National Institute of Health is not giving me to work in one of its institution. It is National Institute Allergy and Infectious Diseases, or in Cancer Center. of National Institute of Health. To prove some theses of my theoretical discoveries, which needed 2 years work, and create novel sub-technology to cure of all of infectious disease and cancer. Dear sir, I have been awarded with 4 certificates of recognition in 4 World Congresses on molecular immunology and immunogenetics. It is held in 2018, London, United Kingdom. Biomedical and Clinical Research World Congresses in 2019, Philadelphia, United States, and 2 certificates of recognition as a keynote speaker at the 9th World Congresses on Infectious Diseases, October 23-25, 2025. This World Congress is held and in Orlando, Florida, in United States, 2025, October 23, 25. It is just several weeks ago. Dear sir, I have invitations from foreign countries, but as a United States citizen and patriot of United States, I do not want to go their countries and develop my novel reverse pathway theory and super-antibody technology, which will bring to them multi-billion, multi-trillion dollars of profit, is knowing that United States nation needs this big money and many good paid jobs in United States. Please help. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. With respect, Dr. Victor Alexander, PhD in medicine. Thank you.